are you able to differentiate between trademark of a trademark owner and a trademark of a infringer? Are you able to do that thing? So, I use term here infringer. So, the question is, what is infringement? Let us see. Now, check this again and observe the manipulations done by the infringer. So, carefully watch this, Adidas and Adidas. So, you can just see the difference of A and O, but you just imagine if any illiterate person who is not aware about this language, probably he will get confused with this name, and what will happen? Suppose Adidas is getting say 100% share of the market, Adidas, which is a infringer, that infringer will pool the benefit of the business of Adidas, and that share from 100% it may take 50%, it may take